Welcome to my channel.
I like diamonds, I like studding, I like shining, I like $1 million deals. Where's my pen? Bitch, I'm signing. I like those Balenciagas, the ones that look like socks. I like going to the Tula, I put rocks all in my watch. I like texts from my exes when they want a second chance. I like proving niggas wrong.
Hey girl, I just seen that intro and you're like,
who does black girl think she is with that 613 blonde hair? Like, who she think she was?
to see how I slayed this sexy Barbie blonde Nicki Minaj Petit Batage hair, then keep on watching, baby. And oh,
don't forget to subscribe.
Ride with Minaj, mashallah. Check in with me, pin to your job. Queen is the name, Raffaello did the chain. This is Monse, Patty plain Jane. Ride with
little strands down. Now with 613 blonde hair, I don't really like to do a lot of baby hairs because it looks really fake really fast. So I'ma just take, you know, minimum strands, you know, and just get some natural looking baby hair. Nothing too much, you know, because the hair color is already a lot. Hairs, I'm just gonna be taking a comb and cutting it, just sliding the scissors on the hair like so. Now I got my baby hairs. Now it might look a little unnoticeable because the baby hairs are really light, of course. I'm gonna be taking my black got to be glued gel. Now this gel work miracles, honey. And I'm gonna take my baby hair toothbrush, put some on a brush, and I'm gonna also put some on the back of my hand. I don't want to put too much gel on the brush because it will get real messy and we don't want that. It's a lot of flyaways in the front of this wig, so I'm gonna definitely take my scissors and just cut some of that out. It's time to get this hair nice and flat, honey. You see the top a little bit bumpy. Let's give a clap on for this parting though. The parting is great. Like, you get parting all the way up to there. So I know you're like, girl, what is the name of this unit? Like, give me the tea. Give me the tea, give me the hot chocolate, give me everything. This is the MLUH100 unit. It's in the color 613. This is a premium human hair mix wig. Listen, I've been searching for a 613 wig that has a nice hair texture, that's long, that's silky, that don't tangle easily. And the hair texture on this hair, look at this. Like, running my fingers right through it. So this hair does shed, guys. So it's not like crazy shedding where you running your fingers through it and there's like a whole bunch of hair just flying everywhere. No, honey, it's not crazy like that. But it do have some shedding. The wig does state that it's 40 inches. This is a true 40 inches. As you can see, the hair comes up to my butt and further down. We ain't gonna show all that. The hair density is great. This hair is super thick, it's super full. And I'm really surprised it's not thin just because the length, you know, the longer the length, the thinner the hair will look. All this hair, honey. You just gotta do the shake test. Here we go. Oh, 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 ow. I really think this is like the best 613 hair that I ever got, like as far as synthetic wise. Like, everything is just perfect about this hair. It's not really to say much. Like, the hair texture is A1. This hair will have some good longevity time. As far as wearing it every day, you know, if you're an extra girl and you like wearing long hair don't care every day, girl, do your thing. But honestly, I wouldn't wear this hair every single day. The hair texture is beautiful, but it is starting to tangle at the ends. That's probably because I'm sitting on it also. But yeah, you want to take a break from this hair. I reviewed a 613 wig that was 50 inches on my channel, and compared to this wig, that other wig got nothing on this wig. Parting is everything. You get a lot of parting. I would say this is almost about 5 or maybe 6 inches of parting, guys. Yeah, a lot of y'all when I do like 613 wig review, y'all be like, can I color this hair? You cannot color synthetic hair, you cannot dye synthetic hair, you cannot bleach synthetic hair or human hair, blended hair, anything. Color will probably take, but it will be like a very fadish kind of ugly color, and you do not want that. So yeah, you definitely can dye this hair, guys. So dyeing is out of the picture. So as far as the fitting for this wig, it is big head friendly. As I said earlier, it has 2 combs in the front and 1 comb in the nape area. And this is like a mini frontal wig, so it comes with like 4x4 parting, so you get this much of parting space. The hair texture I think is perfect because it's not like, you know, a really yucky thick hair texture. It's very silky, it's very smooth, and it's also good for the summertime. You know, summertime you want to wear inches, but you know it can be hot. It can be hot, and you're like, dang, I wish I could wear 30 inches, but I don't want to be all burning up. This is the perfect wig for summertime if you want some long hair. Honey, trust me, you will not be hot with this hair. It is a lot of hair, but the hair texture is just so lightweight. It's just so silky. So you can definitely wear this in hot weather. You know, honey, it's all up to you. Make sure you check out hair.com. This wig will be linked in the description box below, honey. You can also attempt to curl this hair. Matter of fact, my next video is going to be an attempt to curl this hair, yes. Attempting to curl it. This hair will look so fire. So definitely, guys, if you have some wigs you want me to review, comment down below. You know, I would definitely do that for you guys. And you never know, I might have a wig sitting in my house. I know the struggle, okay? When you don't want to spend all your shit coin or something, and just like, dang, this wig look nice, but I don't know if I'm ready to take that risk. Like, should I buy it? Should I? Like, I'm undecided, girl. Let me know which wig it is. Got it for you, okay? Okay. Thank you so much for almost to 10K, 9.7K subs. But definitely hit the bell button right next to the subscribe button so you can get all the notifications when I post. Give this video a thumbs up. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay beautiful, stay sexy, stay cool, stay lit, and turn up for a bad bitch in the club. For a bad bitch in the club. Love you guys, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye. Oh, y'all thought it was over? Oh no, honey, watch this.